Hey YouTube, Megan here. In my last video, I talked about making this in the pitcher. I realized that this can be made in any pitcher. Doesn't need to be made in a cold brew specific pitcher. So this video is about trying regular coffee, hazelnut flavor, because it's my favorite, in the cold brew. Also, I'll kind of put a comment below if I like this coffee. I have never tried it. It's ALDI brand. I hear mixed reviews on it, so we'll see if it's good or not in cold brew form. So the cold brew pitcher, it comes in kind of a few different parts. A little lid, little pop-out filter, and obviously the cap. So I just rinsed everything out from my old cold brew. Gonna just pop this in. My sous chef Miles is here to help me. So I'm just going to fill up the little filter. I'm gonna do it like halfway because when I did one of those packets, that's about what it was. So fill that up about halfway. You need to use cold water to pour over it. So I actually pour a little bit of cold water in the bottom of it as well, kind of just get it going. And then I'm gonna go get another 2 cups. And these 2 cups I just pour directly down in the grounds. And as you can see, it's already starting to turn. Like I said, it's on the box, it says to wait a good 20 hours. When I did the cold brew box one the first time, I waited 12 hours the first time and it was still really good. Today, I honestly didn't really notice a difference. So just put the lid on. Clicks into place. I'll let it steep till tomorrow morning. It is 2:00 p.m. So that'll be over 15 hours worth. I feel like that is plenty of time to let it steep, and it's just gonna get more stronger the longer it steeps. So we'll try the hazelnut cold brew and I'll let you know how it is. Just wanted to kind of show you a different way to do it instead of just the cold brew that I bought mistakenly. But you can make this in just a regular pitcher. So next time, regular Starbucks coffee. Also gonna try, I'll let you know how this hazelnut flavoring coffee from ALDI is. So see you later.